Camping comfort starts with staying cool, and that's where the best portable fans for camping come in. These lightweight, durable, and rechargeable fans provide refreshing airflow, making your outdoor adventures more enjoyable whether you're in a tent, RV, or under the stars. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. KITWLEMEN Camping Portable Fan. The KITWLEMEN Camping Portable Fan is a powerhouse designed for campers, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone who values reliable cooling and lighting in remote settings. One of its standout features is the massive 40,000 mAh rechargeable battery, which not only powers the fan but also doubles as a power bank to charge your devices. With PD 22.5W fast charging support, it takes only about 9–10 hours to fully charge. And once ready, it provides up to an incredible 136 hours of cooling on the lowest setting. This makes it a fantastic choice for extended camping trips, emergencies, or power outages. Beyond cooling, it comes equipped with a dual-color LED lighting system featuring 32 light beads. With 3 brightness levels and warm, white light options, it can run up to 220 hours, making it perfect for nighttime activities such as barbecues, fishing, or simply lighting up your campsite. The fan itself uses 9-inch bionic tri-blades to deliver powerful airflow, reaching up to 16.1 feet per second. With 4-speed settings, 90-degree, 45-degree auto oscillation, and 270-degree manual tilt, it ensures airflow can be directed exactly where you need it most. Convenience is also a priority, with both panel and remote control options, LED indicators for battery and speed, as well as a timer function for 1, 2, 4, or 8 hours to conserve power while you rest. Number 2. Shark Flex Camping Portable Fan. The Shark Flex Camping Portable Fan, also known as the Flex Breeze HydroGo, is an innovative solution for staying cool both indoors and outdoors. What makes this fan unique is its built-in misting function, providing evaporative cooling that reduces surrounding temperatures by up to 5 degrees. Despite being extremely compact at only 5 pounds, it delivers remarkable coverage, with airflow reaching up to 70 feet, making it one of the most powerful yet portable camping fans available. Its integrated water tank is easy to refill, giving you flexibility to use misting whenever needed. For campers, this is a game changer on hot summer days, creating a refreshing environment inside tents, on campgrounds, or even at sports sidelines. The fan offers dual functionality, as it can run corded or cordless. When connected, it provides unlimited runtime while charging, and when cordless, its battery provides reliable all-day cooling. Durability is another strong point, with a rugged, water-resistant build that makes it ideal for outdoor use in different weather conditions. The fan also has a stylish design with dynamic color options to suit different personalities and settings, from backyards and dorms to camping trips and workouts. Compact and easy to carry, it truly lives up to its "Bring the breeze anywhere" promise. The Shark Flex Breeze HydroGo package includes the fan and a charging cable, making it simple to set up and use. Number 3. AMACOOL Camping Portable Fan. The AMACOOL Camping Portable Fan is a heavy-duty option crafted to meet the demands of both outdoor adventurers and indoor users who need reliable cooling power. Built with an enormous 40,000 mAh rechargeable battery, it stands out as one of the longest-lasting portable fans in its category. On a single charge, it can provide up to 136 hours of cooling on low speed, which is ideal for multi-day camping trips or power outages. It also includes 4 timer settings, 1, 2, 4, or 8 hours, allowing users to conserve energy and enjoy worry-free operation. This 12-inch fan features 9-inch bullhorn blades and a brushless motor, capable of generating an impressive airflow of 4.9 meters per second that can be felt from as far as 30 feet away. With 4-speed settings, low, medium, high, and max, it provides cooling suitable for any environment. from a quiet tent at night to a hot outdoor work site during the day. At its lowest setting, the fan runs whisper quiet at less than 24 decibels, ensuring restful sleep. Another notable feature is the integrated 32 LED lights, offering up to 500 lumens with both warm and white light options. This makes it a great lighting source for nighttime camping activities. The fan also doubles as a charging station with Type-C input-output and a USB port, enabling you to recharge your devices easily. Number 4. ELECOM Camping Portable Fan. The ELECOM Camping Portable Fan is a compact yet highly versatile option designed for campers who value flexibility and ease of use. Unlike other large-capacity fans, this model is compatible with Nest-Out 5000 mAh and 10,000 mAh batteries, but also works with any standard power bank, chargers, or wall outlets via its USB-C connection. This flexibility allows you to choose your own power source depending on availability. With 4 fan speed options, breeze, weak, medium, and strong, it can create anything from a gentle, natural airflow to a powerful cooling effect. The special breeze mode is particularly appealing, simulating the feel of outdoor wind for a more comfortable experience. To enhance air distribution, the fan features automatic oscillation at 40 degrees, 70 degrees, and 100 degrees, ensuring optimal coverage whether in a tent or a larger space. Its adjustable neck tilts up to 90 degrees, so you can direct airflow exactly where it's needed most. Another strong point is its practical design, which includes dual mounting hooks for versatile placement. You can hang it on a lantern holder, inside a tent, or even use the bottom hook after removing the tripod. For added convenience, it offers timer settings of 60, 120, or 240 minutes, allowing you to set and forget without worrying about overuse. Number 5. TUIAIAO Camping Portable Fan. The TUIAIAO Camping Portable Fan stands out for its impressive power and extra-large battery capacity, making it one of the most reliable fans for both outdoor adventures and emergency preparedness. Equipped with a massive 45,000 mAh rechargeable battery, it can fully charge in around 10 hours via a 5V3A Type-C input. On a single charge, it provides up to 40 hours of cooling on low speed and doubles as a power source for other electronic devices through its USB-A output. This makes it especially useful for campers, households during power outages, or anyone needing extended runtime. Beyond cooling, it also includes bright LED lights with white light options that can run for up to 300 hours on low brightness or 100 hours on high, ensuring reliable illumination for tents, living rooms, or emergency situations. Featuring a powerful high-performance motor and 12-inch extra-large fan blades, the TUIAIAO delivers an airflow of 830 CFM, strong enough to move curtains from 3 meters away. With 3 adjustable speeds, it offers up to 8 hours of runtime on high, 16 hours on medium, and 40 hours on low, providing flexibility for different scenarios. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.